Welcome to another video from Miniature Tanks Company. In this video we're going to be working on this kit. This is for the UAZ, I think it's called UAZ vehicle. It's not the van version, but the cargo version that has the pickup bed for it. So I've already assembled the one that's the covered version, but of course this assembly video will be applicable to the covered version and the non-covered version, because simply the only difference for the covered is the canopy there. So this assembly video will be good for both. So you can see what I'm doing here, just cutting all these sprues. Alright, the last sprues to cut is for these wheels. Alright, so we are done the cutting away process. Now let's start to glue this whole thing together. The first thing that I'm going to glue together is this. So just put some glue here. And simply take these pieces, put them together, make sure they're lining up perfectly. Alright, so that's good. Next is this bed. Make sure you put this in the back where these little like trailer hitch pieces there. So not trailer hitch. All right, so then just put this bed on there. All right, good. So that's done. Next, let's go ahead and glue this front bumper on. So you can see how I did that. You can see how I glued that back bumper on. That's the way it should go. Yeah, so another thing that should be done is this roof piece. So I'm just going to go ahead and place that there. All right, that's good. The last but not least is all these wheels. So just put in some glue here. I think I'll put some glue on the other side as well. For these front ones, you just need to put them in place like that. Since it kind of has a spot to go already. And then put this back ones, just put the axle in the middle. All right, so last but not least, just put some glue like there. We're actually done with this glue now. And then let's put this tire like that. I suppose this spare tire you could put wherever you wish, but I'm gonna put mine there. Could be in the back, could be, you can look at reference pictures to make sure they're going in the right place. So there they are, available at miniaturetanks.com. Thank you so much for watching.